It's the 2024 New Beauty Award winner box. So if you want to see what's in this bad boy, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. I am a beauty lover. I hope you are too. So if you are, maybe you'll decide to hang around and subscribe. It's free and it's fun. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. As you all know, I love my beauty boxes. So this is by the authors of New Beauty magazine. And they do test tube beauty, so that's a seasonal beauty box. And by beauty, I'm talking more skincare. There is sometimes some cosmetics, but it's usually skincare and some of the best out there, and some great brands like Beauty Bio and Drunk Elephant, and just great brands. They also have hair care in there, so like Saints and Sinners, Olaplex. It's a 10, so I've gotten a lot of great products. This is their award winner box. So they used to do one of these types of boxes about once a quarter, just like the Test Tube Beauty box. I think they said this year they're only doing two. They're doing this one and their luxury review box at the end of the year. So it was pricier, and this is about the size as they used to be, although it's very heavy. And they used to be, when they were doing them seasonally, like if you got them early, if you got like advance notice, which once you buy one, you're going to get advance notice, or when you join their insider community, which is free, like you just sign up on, I think, Facebook, it was $119. And this year, since they're only doing two boxes, their award box and their luxury review box, it was $199, so it was expensive. And I think that was the discounted price too. Like I think it was $229 if you waited and got it later. So their award show is on May 8th. I'm filming this on May 7th, but I won't have time to film tomorrow. And if I don't film it tomorrow, I won't be able to film it till next week. So I'd like to watch the show first and then tell you what I learned about the products, but I don't want to sit on this. I want to get it open. So let's get into it. Now, these are the items that the editors over at New Beauty magazine say are the best of 2024. And here is your sneak peek. This bad boy is loaded. I don't think I'm going to have enough room on my table here. Let's get into it. All right, so everything should be a full-size item. Anytime there's a sample, it's something that was an extra from the company that does not New Beauty, but the company that makes it, that doesn't add to the value of the box. It's just an extra that company gave them to give out. So these should be all full-size items. And I mean, I'm not seeing any sample items. I am seeing a one face mask. Oh, this is weird. This goes, look, that goes under your chin. This is a instant tightening peptide mask. I'm going to guess single use. Oh, yes, discard after use. And you're going to leave it on for 20 minutes. So, all right, that's interesting. That's by Revive. I've not seen these before, so I'm excited to give that a try. All right, I don't even know where to start. There's so much in here. By OC, this is the Sea Glow Resurfacing Scrub. It's a facial exfoliator, and I'm actually using their facial soap now. I don't remember where I got it. I want to say, though, BoxyCharm. That's what I want to say, Ipsy BoxyCharm. And I love it. So here is how this looks. It's in a beautiful frosted glass container, and I'm sure it's wonderful, like all of their other products that I've tried from this brand. And it smells like the ocean. And I believe this is a cruelty-free company. Let me look. Yes, cruelty-free and vegan, clean, gluten-free, and born in California. Next, by Strivectin, is their TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream Plus, I actually have this and I'm using it and I do enjoy it. I use it at my mom's house. I have a different one for my house. I think I have the Obagi one, which I got from this brand, which is crazy expensive. There is how that looks. And I think this is a pretty pricey brand too. Not as pricey as Obagi, but pricey. By Nulastin. This is their Vibrant Scalp Treatment. And it has naturally derived ingredients, paraben-free, vegan and cruelty-free, gluten-free, non-irritating, no added fragrance, proven safe for all skin types. And there is how that looks. You can apply it morning and night. Apply directly to dry scalp where growth is desired. Massage into the scalp for 1 minute until absorbed and wash hands well after application. Okay. I guess it promotes stronger, thicker, more resilient hair, nurtures follicles and hair color restoration cells. So it's not a minoxidil. It's one of the other types of products that are like marketed out there. I'm excited to try it. You know, I need more hair. I'm not gonna lie, I need more hair. By Grande Cosmetics is their brow laminate. So you have, you can see back here, you have the little spoolie, and then down here you have the gel. It's a clear, so it's just meant to kind of do a nice sculpting. All right, so here's a sample, and I'm going to guess that this was just thrown in by the manufacturer. I'll see the show tomorrow. That's probably what they're going to say, though, because they do all full size. This is by Hydropeptide. It's the it's the Retinol Eye Renewal Lifting and Firming Eye Balm. And here's their little results thing. By, oh, something in here. It's quite sticky. By Saints and Sinners is the Velvet Divine Leave-In Conditioner. This is great. I used up the whole entire bottle of mine, so I'm happy to get another one. By It's a 10, we have the Scalp Restore Miracle Scalp Serum. I know this is female founded, and it has scalpazine in it, whatever that is. This you are going to wash out, but you don't have to leave it in. You just apply it in and then rinse it out. All right, here's what looks to have some spillage, but it seems like it's pretty full. This is by Paul Mitchell. It's the Bond RX shampoo to strengthen and protect, and smells nice. Really closed, but oh, here's where it's open. Look at that. There's where it's opened, and it's not sealed. And it looks like it's only full to about here. So I don't think it lost too much. Whether or not I let them know, I don't know. I might forget. A lot of hair care in here. I'm excited. By Unite is the Boosta Volumizing Spray. So this is a full weightless body spray for your hair. By Euphora is the Triple Bond Repair. This is another hair care product. Look, it looks like somebody stepped all over it though. What's going on? What's going on, New Beauty? What are you doing to things over there? And you only leave this on for 5 minutes, so that's nice. By Herborian, this is Korean Skincare, is the Skin Therapy 17 Super Ingredients. Still doesn't tell me what it is. It's information like inside the box. It's a multi-perfecting oil that works while you sleep. After the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished, and plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced and your complexion is fresh and radiant. And the more you use it, wrinkles and fine lines appear visibly reduced and your skin becomes more supple. It looks clearer with fewer imperfections. And texture is refined and your complexion looks even more lastingly radiant. It's a 2-phase lightweight oil, specifically designed to adapt to all skin types. So you have to shake it because it's got that biphase where when you shake it, they mix. I don't know, it's got a whole bunch of ingredients that I can't pronounce. All right, next we have by Neutrogena. This is the Stubborn Acne Ultra Thin Blemish Patches Combination Pack Hydrocolloidal. So I guess there's 2 different sizes. And that's 16 patches. There is a coupon in here for the Glow Skin Beauty Tinted Primer. Oh, so you get 1 free. So you just go on and it says you get 1 free with this code. All right, I'm excited. So here is how those primers will look. And I love a tinted primer. It's got an SPF of 30. By DermaQuest is their Advanced Formulas Skin Bright Serum. And there's probably $1,000 worth of product in this box. This says it's a highly effective brightening serum, ideal for all skin types. Penetrates multiple skin layers and helps to reduce the appearance of pigmentation. Okay, I'm good with that. By Exuviance is the Pro Resurfacing Conditioning and Exfoliating Foot Balm. Oh, yes, please. There is how that looks. You can see it's on this box. They asked me for proof. I'll be like, yeah, watch my video. By Elastin, oh, this is a very pricey brand, is the C Radical Defense Antioxidant Serum. By 8 Greens, we have, what are they? 30 effervescent tablets in the flavor lemon lime. I wish they would send this in a flavor that like is delicious. It's always like in some flavor that I'm like, oh, that does not sound like it's very flavorful. Like that just sounds like it's going to taste like medicine. And they do have like these fruity flavors that look delicious. By EOS, Evolution of Smooth is their 24-hour moisture super balm with cocoa, shea, and avocado oils in honey apple? Yes, honey apple flavor, I guess. So cruelty-free brand, gluten-free, paraben and phthalate-free, and dermatologist recommended. It says it tastes like fresh picked apple straight from the orchard. Don't tell Chloe, she'll just sit there and lick it off her lips. By number 7 is their Future Renew Damage Reversal Night Cream. It's powered by Pepticology, which is their exclusive peptide innovation developed by world-leading scientists. Tells me nothing about it, but it does say it deeply moisturizes for 72 hours. When in the world am I going to go 72 hours without putting something on my face? I don't know. There would have to be some sort of extreme situation for that. By Revitalash Cosmetics is their Revitalash Advanced Sensitive. That's what it says it is. Okay. It's very light. Eyelash Conditioner. It's for sensitive eyes, or formulated for sensitive eyes. It's a time-release technology that enhances the health and beauty of lashes. Powerful peptides and botanicals protect against breakage and brittleness while improving flexibility, moisture, and shine for bold, beautiful lashes. So it must be like a mascara type wand, I would think. Yes, so there it is in there. By Will Relieve is a pain relief lotion. It's a lidocaine lotion. this is a Serena Williams brand. I thought, is that Serena Williams on there? So it's got a little angle thing, and yeah, I mean, that's good. Use that. And then last by Tangle Teaser is their plant-based detangling hairbrush. All right, so there's how that looks. And it's like a nice flexible plastic there, and a pretty peach. I don't know how well these work. You guys tell me. I've gotten these before. I usually like I use one to groom my cats because I saw on I think it was Instagram, they sell one that you can like put whatever water in, or it comes out of steam. I don't know, but it seemed like it got a lot of hair, so I said, oh, I got Tangle Teasers. It looks just like a Tangle Teaser, and it does work really well. So if you have one laying around, you're like, I don't know what to do with it, and you got a cat, or you know somebody that has a cat, or even probably a short-haired dog, it's a great grooming tool. I gave one to my niece because I feel like, is that really made for adult hair or toddler hair? I don't know. But I figured it'd be great for toddler hair, so I gave one to my younger niece. I have a college-age niece and a elementary school niece, so I gave it to her. I don't know what I've done with my others. I think I've just like farmed them out, or I could still have them all over the place. I don't know, but great grooming tools, I'll tell you that. All right, this was an amazing box. I am so excited. Like, I am so excited about everything in here. I'm not even that mad about the spillage in this. Like I said, maybe I'll contact them. Maybe I won't. I don't even know. We'll see what I do. And yeah, I am super excited to get trying some of these products. And I already know like the Strivectin neck cream works really well, so I would highly recommend that. And I do love the OC products, so super excited for that too. And everything else in here that's new, like I am so excited to try some of these new to me brands. All right, well, let me know your thoughts. I know, big price tag. You guys are going to be like, oh my God, that's too expensive. I get it. I get it. For me, I had to. Will I always be able to? I don't know if I'll always be able to, but I was able to swing it, so I decided to. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.